a polyacrylamide gel using our gel casting arrangement. So these are the materials we require for preparing the gel. First one is the gel casting stand, then a pair of glass plates. So this is a notch plate, rectangular plate, a pair of spacers 1 millimeter thickness, Teflon comb, and a polythene bag, and a pair of binder clips. First thing, we have to mark the glass plates from bottom up to the top. That means we are going to prepare the gel to 7 centimeter length. So this gel is separating gel, then afterwards stacking gel. We are going to keep the comb like this for about 8 millimeter. So this also we will make a mark. 8 millimeter for the stacking gel and 7 centimeter for the separating gel. What we require is a fresh polythene bag. We have to first insert the rectangular plate first, then afterwards the notch plate. So this will go into the polythene bag easily. Then we have to insert the spacers. Just lift this part of the notch plate and lift it and insert the spacers in between the rectangular plate and notch plate. Similarly, one more spacer also, just insert here, then move to the other end like this. So now you are getting, this is a rectangular plate, this is a notch plate, in between we have inserted the spacers. We are getting a gap of 1 millimeter. Suppose the spacer is not aligned properly, you insert one more spacer and move to the sides. The entire arrangement you have to push inside the polythene bag up to the bottom. Now you have the pair of glass plates, notched, rectangular, in between spacers, everything is pushed to the bottom of the polythene bag. If it is not aligned properly, you insert one spacer and push it to the edges. Now this is perfect. Then we have to place this arrangement into the casting stand. Then the loose plate, you have to place it over it and put the clip like this, just right on top of the spacers, in the middle of the glass plate. One more binder clips here. So this is the arrangement. Now you can see the lines. So up to this line, we have to pour separating gel mixing solution. Separating gel mix, you have to pour up to this. We don't know how much volume this will take. So we can measure using the measuring jar. So now you can take distilled water and pour it inside the bag. So this takes about 7 to 8 ml. 7 to 8 ml. So we have to prepare about 8 ml of the separating gel mixture. Then from here up to the top, we are going to place the comb over this So this is a separating gel from bottom to this line. From here onwards we have to pour stacking gel mixture. That volume also we can measure approximately by using distilled water. So it should be from the notch, this is a notch side, about 2 to 3 millimeter above the notch, we have to pour the stacking gel mixture. So we have noted down the volume, that is about 8 ml for the separating gel from here to here, and from here to top up to this about 2 ml. So that mixture we can prepare. By the time you just leave like this and check for any leakage from the bag. So anyway we have used distilled water. This will wash any dirt over the glass plate or in the bag. So once the gel mixture is ready, then you can decant this distilled water. You can decant it and remove the droplets if any using a clean filter paper. Then you can start pouring the gel mixture. So your gel mixture is ready, then you can pour it. Then in order to make the surface even, we have to use about 0.2 to 2 ml of N-butanol, so that this surface will be flattened and it will be covered from the atmospheric oxygen, so that the polymerization will be complete. Once this process is over, remove the top N-butanol, wash the gel surface and place the comb. Then you pour the stacking gel mixture and leave it for 20 minutes for polymerization. Then afterwards, once it is polymerized, you can remove the arrangement and cut open the polythene bag. Then you can fix it onto the chamber. So this is how you can prepare the gel. So the advantages are, the assembling the apparatus is a matter of less than a minute, and it is 100% leak proof. Then after preparing the gel, you can fix cellophane tape and you can even store it for a day or two or up to a week in the refrigerator. So these are the advantages. Unlike the conventional methods, so this is a very safe and quick method of preparing the polyacrylamide gel using this arrangement.